Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you a fun and easy way to create your own custom emojis. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our quick and helpful tech tips. To begin, open your browser and search for Emoji Kitchen. Click on Get Cooking to access the tool. From there, you can select the emojis you want to combine. Or click Randomize to generate a unique random emoji. It's that simple. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tutorials.